If you're not interested in buying a Presto card and want to know how to use a Toronto subway system without one, I'll share with you in this video how you can do it, here on Travel Tricks. Before I get started, thank you for watching this video, and please subscribe to my channel, as I'm always sharing tricks to help you make your next vacation the best one yet. The subway in Toronto is a quick way to travel to get to many places you want to see, whether it's a Blue Jays game at Rogers Centre, a Leafs or Raptors game at Scotiabank Arena, or checking out the view from the top of the CN Tower. A subway can save time and money, but if you don't want to use a Presto card, then here's other options you can use. One is your debit or credit card. Now, if you're outside Canada, it is suggested to contact your bank to make sure you can use your debit card to purchase. Many banks only allow debit cards to take money out of ATMs. Credit cards are accepted, including Visa or MasterCard. Contactless payment include Apple or Google Pay. If you want to pay by Presto, but you don't want to carry a card, you can have a Presto stored in your Google or Apple wallet. Also, it's good to know children 12 and under ride for free. I hope these tips can help make your next trip on the Toronto subway a better experience. If you're wanting to get a Presto card, how to top up a Presto card, or how to use a Toronto subway system, check out these videos. And please, check out all my videos and subscribe to my channel, Travel Tricks, as I'm always sharing tricks to help you make your next vacation the best one yet. Thank you.